Hello viewers, welcome to KM Commerce World YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about the first problem of issue shares at par. Here is the problem. Anish Limited issued 30,000 equity shares of 100 rupees each. So Anish Limited company issuing 30,000 equity shares and 100 rupees each. Here 100 rupees is the face value of share. Payable at 30 rupees on application. In this 100 rupees face value, through the application, they are inviting 30 rupees and 50 rupees on allotment. 50 rupees is the allotment money and 20 rupees is the last and final call money. All money was duly received. So we have to prepare journal entries in the company. This is a first problem of issue shares at par. First of all, we have to make a quick summary of the problem like this way. So here is the quick summary. Actually, company issuing shares 30,000 and the face value of each share is 100 rupees. Through the application, they are collecting 30 rupees and through the allotment, they are collecting 50 rupees and through the first and final call money, they are collecting 20 rupees and all the money was duly received. There is no calls in arrears. All the money was duly received. So here is the total amounts. Through the application money, total shares are 30,000 and the application money is 30 rupees. Total application money is 9 lakh rupees. And through the allotment, 30,000 equity shares at the rate 50 rupees each. Total 15 lakhs from the allotment. And first and final call money, 30,000 equity shares each 20 rupees. So 6 lakh rupees is the first and final call money. Total amount 30 lakhs is the company want to procure from the public. This is the brief summary about the problem. Here is the solution. We have to make journal entries in the books of Anish Limited. So like this pro forma you have to draw in your books date, particulars, LF, debit, credit. So this is the pro forma. First of all you have to draw in your books. In that the first entry is bank account debtor to equity share application account. This entry is to be passed for receiving application money. So we are receiving money through the applications. That's why we should debit the bank and equity share application is credit. So amount is 9 lakh rupees, 9 lakh rupees. Narration is application money received on application 30,000 equity shares of 30 rupees per share. It is the first journal entry you have to pass in the company journal book. The second entry is for this application money should be transferred to share capital account. For this, you have to pass journal entry as equity share application account debtor to equity share capital account. So same amount should be transferred to share capital account 9 lakh rupees 9 lakh rupees. The narration is share application money transferred to share capital account. This is the narration. And the third entry is for due of allotment money. The third entry is for due of allotment money. For this transaction, you have to make a journal entry as equity share allotment account debtor to equity share capital account. Allotment money due on 30,000 equity shares at the rate of 50 rupees per share. Total 15 lakh rupees. 15 lakh rupees. This is the third entry. So next fourth entry is allotment money received. For the allotment money received. For this transaction, you have to pass a journal entry bank account debtor to equity share allotment account. Share allotment money received on 30,000 shares at the rate of 50 rupees per share. Total 15 lakh rupees from the allotment money we have received. And the next entry is for first and final call money due. That is the fifth entry. Fifth entry for first and final call money due. For this transaction, we have to pass entry as equity share first and final call account debtor to equity share capital account. Share first and final call due on 30,000 shares at the rate of 20 rupees per share. You have to write the narration like this. So the total amount is 6 lakh rupees. 6 lakh rupees debit, 6 lakh rupees credit. So next and last entry is for the receipt of first and final call money. So bank account debtor to equity share first and final call money. Narration is share first and final call money received for 30,000 shares at the rate of 20 rupees per share. Amount is same amount 6 lakhs rupees and 6 lakhs rupees. 6 lakh rupees, 6 lakh rupees. Debit, you have to debit the 6 lakh rupees and you have to credit the 6 lakh rupees. Like this way, you have to prepare journal entries in the books of Anish Limited Company.